Hey there, welcome back to Manotick StringWorks. Glad to have you here. So please remember to like and subscribe for more video content. Alright, now we're going to look at the steps involved with installing this pickguard on this Telecaster body. So we have the neck installed, we have the bridge installed and in place. And we'll slide this in. And the idea is you want to get it flush up to the neck pocket and try and get an even reveal as much as you can. It's not always going to be perfect. And then I've taken the control plate, which in this case is already pre-wired. I'm going to run the output jack through the hole so it'll sit flush. Oh, look at that. That looks really good. Alright, so resist the urge to fuss with it too much. I'm just going to take some tape and just put a few pieces around to hold it in place. Obviously we're not going to cover any of the holes that we need to drill. I like to put a few pieces where you know that you might be slipping around. Also, when you put the tape, get it flush to the pickguard and the body first in the crease and then bring it down. That'll ensure the pickguard doesn't really wobble around. Everything looks good. So one last look. That'll push in nicely. The reveal looks good. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Alright, let's start drilling. Alright, so I'm going to use this self-centering bit. See, it's got a little sleeve that comes down, and as you push it in the recess, it should keep it relatively centered as you drill, so let's give it a try. And what I like to do as well is once I've drilled a hole, put a screw in. And that's going to keep it from wandering around. So we'll do the top one next. I've tightened it down, but it's not like crazy tight. So I'll put another one here, then another one in this corner, then continue all around. Alright, and one more screw right here. There we go. Just take the tape off. Alright, that looks pretty good. Now we have to position the control plate. Alright, so for the control plate, this one fits in there really nice. So again, what I'll do is take a piece of tape. I'm going to go across it here. If I push it in, not so it's crazy tight, you gotta have a little wiggle room. I notice it doesn't really want to move around like that. That looks pretty good. crease the tape. That's pretty good. Another piece. Put the selector in here. I did have someone who wanted the controls the other way around once. Just a preference, you want to switch down here, not up there. Okay, so same thing. Using the self-centering bit. Let's put that screw in. Different screwdriver, different screws. And then we'll do the bottom hole. Always hold your screwdriver close to the base so it doesn't slip around on you. Alright, tape off. Nice, that looks good. It's got that vintage used sort of finish to it, which is good. So here's the big thing I hate about this, alright? How do you get to that? So basically, you're going to have to take off the pickguard every time you want to adjust if you can with a special tool. Alright, so that's it for this video. Just a real quick basic one to show you how to put a pickguard on a Telecaster style guitar. We didn't have to drill any new holes or anything. Everything fit in really nice. Alright, so we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.